Alright guys, welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about a new type of airdrop which most of you haven't heard about. Though on our Telegram channel we have already talked about this, but I want to give you guys a detailed information about this about the airdrop right here on this video, so that a lot of you out there who may not know how to get onboarded will follow the same process and position yourself for the airdrop which is coming very soon guys. So on this video guys, I'll be going straight to the point and I'll be making it very easy and fast. And also I want to be reminding you guys about our tone giveaway on this channel, because we actually give out tone to our video viewers. So if you're watching our video right now from any part of the world, you actually stand a chance of earning yourself free tone coin just by getting to interact with our channel. To interact with our channel, it's very simple. Simply make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and also like this video you are watching right now, and make sure you drop a comment, because from the comment section is actually where we pick our winners and we actually announce them on our Telegram channel. You can get the link to our Telegram channel on the video description box. So guys, without wasting time, let's talk about the airdrop of today, which is called SoSoVALUE. All right, so SoSoVALUE is just like Binance, KuCoin. It is just a crypto trading exchange whereby you have the chance of doing so many things. For example, right here, according to them, they said that SoSoVALUE is an AI driven crypto research and investment revolution. So right here guys, it is way too simple and way too easy. But on this video guys, we are going to be going straight to the point, and I'll be teaching you what to do in order to get the airdrop. All right, so but first of all, let me teach you guys, let me tell you guys what actually sparked me to actually make this video and present you guys this opportunity. Because as you all know, I don't talk about airdrop just for the sake of talking about it. I do my research and I find my reasons for joining any type of airdrop. To start with guys, this is of course the X handle, and over here guys, they have about 386,000 followers. And if you check the people that are following this project on Telegram, a whole lot on Twitter, I mean a lot of people are following them, but the most prominent people that are following them right here is, you can see, YesCoin Foundation, Airdrop Adventure, WIKE, and of course BSC News and SafePal Wallet. We all know SafePal Wallet, and a whole lot of other people right here guys. And other things that actually make me to be interested on this airdrop is that they have actually raised about $15 million. And you know, from the money that they raised from their funding, this will actually play a huge role on determining the amount of airdrop that we're going to be getting from them. And also when you scroll down guys, you can see that they are really recognized by SafePal Wallet. You know, SafePal Wallet is just like Trust Wallet and all that, and of course they are being recognized by SafePal Wallet. And if you scroll down again, you can see that Bybit also recognize them guys. So a lot of reasons are here why you need to actually key into this airdrop. But let's now go straight to the point and talk about how to actually get started with the airdrop. So to get started with the airdrop, I will strongly advise that you use a browser to actually create the account, a very good and a reasonable browser. I recommend you to use Mrs. browser, but if you have any type of browser, it is totally okay. So the first thing you actually need to do is simply check out the link on the video description of the video to get the link to the airdrop. So once you get the link, then you go ahead and paste it on the search bar. Then you go ahead and search for it. So this is actually going to be taking you to their platform. Once the website opens up, this is what you're going to be seeing right here. This is actually a desktop view. You might have a different view on your own device actually. So right now guys, if you look over here guys, at this top right corner, we have login and we have sign up. So if you're actually creating an account for the first time, you are actually going to be using this sign up button. But if you already have an account, then you go ahead and click on log in. Okay, so right now I'll click on sign up right now, and let me show you guys how signing up actually looks like guys. So to sign up, it is very easy. The first thing that you actually need to sign up on this platform is actually you need to use either your Google, your Apple, or your Telegram account, Twitter, SafePal wallet, or just any other wallet. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna be using my email address to actually sign up. But if you already have an account, you simply click on log in right now, and once you get to log in, you have to input your email, you input your password, then you click on login, and you are going to be logged in immediately guys. Okay, and right now after creating your own account, then it is very simple and way too easy. So we do not have any concern with all this thing right here. We are only concerned with how to actually get the airdrop, right? So you're gonna have to click right here guys on the top right corner right here, and sometimes you're gonna be having it down here if you're actually having a landscape view. So right now guys, I have to click right here guys on this XP at the top. Once I click on the XP at the top, this is going to be taking me to where I'm going to be getting the airdrop, right? And over here guys, you can see this is how everything actually looks like. And over here guys, the first message you're going to be seeing that is that you have actually earned yourself 236 points. This is automated, and this is what you just earn for just creating an account. And over here guys, let me show you guys some stuff and how you actually get more points from this airdrop. It's very easy guys. So they have their daily check-in, and they have some task that you actually need to complete for you to actually get this airdrop, guys. So over here, guys, you can see this is my balance right here, guys. And of course, you have when you invite someone into this platform, you actually get 25,000 points, and when the person gets to level 1, you get 50,000 points. And of course, this is your referral code, and also this is where you copy your referral code from. And they have the system, the daily check-in system, whereby you actually get rewarded if you are logged into the app every single day. And also they have some other tasks down here whereby you need to complete and get something really interesting. We have the daily roost, and we have the watch news, whereby you watch video and you get some SP. You have to quote, reply their tweet, and all that. All these are what you need to do right now for you to actually get more points. And when you scroll down again, you're gonna be seeing we have the starter pack right here, whereby you need to actually connect your Google account, connect your X account, install desktop app over here, subscribe to YouTube channel, and follow the Twitter account, and also join the Telegram. All these are gonna be earning you points massively, guys. So these are the things that you actually need to keep doing every day on this platform for you to actually earn a bigger reward, because the more points that you actually grab, the higher your airdrop allocation. And you need to do this consecutively, guys, so that you keep earning more points, which will in turn give you a bigger airdrop allocation, guys. So SoSoVALUE Airdrop is very, very simple, guys, and I believe you have been able to understand how you can actually go around it and be able to get the most out of it. So I believe you got enough value out of this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and I'll be there to reply to you as soon as possible. Please, guys, take this airdrop very, very serious. Do not joke with it, because this is type of airdrop is the type of airdrop that will change your life if you take it very, very serious and get enough points, guys. So it is very, very simple, and let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll be talking to you guys very, very soon.